Hi, I'm Heidi and this is Scott from Daltons.
G'day.
Today we're going to talk about our premium range of fertilisers.
Yes.
So there's actually quite a few in the range.
Yes, to ensure we cover off most commonly grown plants in the home and garden.
It says controlled release fertiliser. Can you explain what that means?
Controlled release fertiliser is fertiliser that has a coating on the outside. So that coating protects the fertiliser from releasing too much all at once.
Ah, right.
So moisture has to be absorbed through the coating and it dilutes the fertiliser inside and forces it back out. With a controlled release fertiliser, that's one of the benefits of it. You can really literally apply this product any time of the year. The controlled release function of the fertiliser is temperature controlled, so as the temperature increases, more fertiliser becomes available.
That's
and as the temperature decreases, the fertiliser release is reduced. So we've tailored them up to suit the plant range, obviously, and we've also tailored the length of time that they're available for the plant. So fruiting crops, you know, it's a much longer term of release. Vegetable, herbs and things like that, shorter term.
What about some tips in terms of how much to put on your plants?
Well, we got pretty comprehensive information on the back of the bag.
Yep.
But I like to at least once recommend that you actually weigh it out, because we give you a weight. But a simple way is to do it once with just a jug on a set of scales like we have here. You measure it out like so.
Yep.
Take a vivid marker.
Yep.
And mark on your container where the 50-gram mark is. And then next time, all you need to do is fill to that mark without weighing it with our product, and you'll know it's 50 grams.
Yeah.
You can use this product safely throughout the season. You can use it at planting, absolutely, underneath the plant. You can also use it as an application across the top of the garden. You can use it on your outdoor tubs, your wine barrel planters, your raised gardens, anywhere where it's a container, a pot like these ones here. It's completely safe for that application as well. Just keep an eye out for any product that may find its way on foliage, because you can either brush that off or water that in well, or around your fruiting plants or wherever you want to use it. Indoors or outdoors, very safe range.